Come on, Sierra, get your act together. Oh, okay. Hey, God. Oh my gosh. What is... I have a pimple. Ew. Oh, okay. Anyways, let me sit down. Sierra, just wanted to say, let's talk. Sierra, just want to say sorry for not making the video like about a week ago when I said I would. But it will be on tomorrow. Well, today for you guys, because you're watching it right now. That's great. Anyways, I had to go to Texas with my family, so that's why I didn't upload it. But that was my lame excuse, so here's the video. How to survive a blizzard 2. Toodles.
Finally made it to Mount Everest. Hi, viewers. So I'm pretty sure you guys can tell that I did not make it to Mount Everest. I really did try though. I really did. Had some minor problems. Number 1, I have no gloves, and my fingers would have been chopped off by now. Number 2, I didn't have the energy. Those exercises were not working as well as I thought they did. I even tried doing obviously that did not work. Since you see me, some special occasions have occurred. Number 1, I'm pretty sure you could tell there's a difference. I am missing my white coat. I'm pretty sure someone stole it. It went a little something like this. Yeah, that's not funny. And I'm pretty sure they keep on stealing my stuff. Look, no gloves, and my blue vest is gone too. But there has been some good things that's happened too. I went hitchhiking. I was on the street and stuck my thumb out like I told you guys to do, and guess what someone gave me? Pizza Supreme Doritos. They are so good. Better than them rocks, you hear? So I thought, I cannot take this any longer. I cannot be trapped out here in the snow, in the freezing cold. I decided I had to do something, or just do some things. Trying to find or build a house. So, I've tried multiple times, and I think I finally found the right thing for me. But I'm going to show you how all of my attempts to build a house went. This is called the tree house. It's a tree, and it's now my house. You just easily get between the woods, these vine thingamajiggers that might have thorns on it. Pick a place, and just relax. As you may or may not see, I am attempting to build an igloo, but obviously this is not working, so I have to move on to other things. You want to see what my igloo looks like though? know, right? Nothing like an igloo. Hey, looks like a hot dog bun. Hold on. Oh my gosh, I can't breathe. I can get used to this. This is kind of comfortable. Like, really. I need a new house. This isn't working. Please find me some help. Then I came up with an idea of doing what the hobos would have done. Okay. Filming? Yes. That one was really an accident. Come closer. Hey, at least this one stood up. Well, obviously, that didn't work either. Remember that one of my Mexican family members lives 20 minutes away from here. Cousin Julio? Sí. ¿Mi casa, yo casa? No. You can't trust your own family these days.